does not look safe. That is not proper vlogging. Jake, don't vlog from up there. You're gonna fall, dude. Come on. You have a family. Welcome to San Juan, Puerto Rico. I just flew in last night. I'm here with my buddy Jake. $2.
What's up?
He's an expert on Puerto Rico, kind of. So to say, he's been here like 5 times. He's possibly buying a vacation home here. But first, we're going to eat. And Jake brought us to a place called Buns. Jake got the triple burger. That thing is massive. You really gonna eat that whole thing?
Oh, easily.
Dude, that's crazy. And I got the single, it's plenty big. Cheese fries, hazelnut chocolate milkshake. All right, first we eat, then let's show you a beautiful Puerto Rico. Okay, look at this. This is a giant building right in the heart of San Juan, beautiful area, completely for sale, the entire thing. And there are plenty of businesses like this. A lot of people did leave after the hurricane, and so some people might say, well, yeah, you don't want to move to a place like that. Part of me says that's where there's a lot of opportunity. So Jake, you're under contract for a place right now.
Right.
Where is this place?
Right here, just looking up, it's the penthouse apartment for this building with the red umbrellas. So you go up 4 floors, it's right up at the very top.
You have
and it includes the balcony out in front, and it has a rooftop terrace.
That's beautiful. So you got this, there's the old fort right over there. You have this beautiful fountain right there, and then you can't see it right here, but on the other side of this building, and you might be able to see it from the top floor. Can you see the ocean from up there?
Yeah.
So you could see the ocean, all the cruise ships come in just down there. So yeah, that's a legit location. It's around $400,000 for that. That's amazing. This community right here is La Perla, Comunidad La Perla.
So they keep this place off of the maps in Puerto Rico to try to dissuade tourists from going down there and checking out what's happening down there. Really, it's just homes. There's like not a lot of like shops or anything else down there.
Yeah.
But this is where they filmed Despacito.
Despacito, right there.
There's only 3 ways in. So one way's down this path right here.
Okay, right there.
Then there's one road that leads down in there. It's right up ahead. And then you can get to it through the cemetery. And we accidentally, as a family, went through it through the cemetery.
That sounds like the most sketchy way to go.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, we just got to this giant park by this fort, and I've never seen so many kites in my life. Like everybody is just out here flying kites. Is this normal? All right, so this is El Morro. This is a national park. This summer, we are making it a family priority to visit national parks. In fact, April 21st is National Parks Week. So anyway, really cool to be here at El Morro National Park. We're gonna go look around. You already saw the people flying a kite outside. I don't know much about El Morro yet, but he's the expert of El Morro. He knows everything about it.
100% of everything. I might as well have a badge on. El Morro was built in 1539 by the Spanish, the first fort out here. But then since that time, it's gone through a few hands, a few different owners. The U.S. used it as a fort during World War II, and now it's just a national park.
That's cool.
But it's really fun to explore.
All right, national park time. There's the kitchen. Military cuisine. Hello, hello. What's down there? You been down there before?
I haven't been down there.
Go for it. Dude, I'm in this castle. Hey, well, check this out. If you come out, go up the stairs. Right here you've got a giant, it looks like a big old gun was here. And so like, I wonder if they kept like cannonballs or something inside of there.
Yeah, good idea.
Jake, you're our expert. Confirm it.
Yes, that's absolutely correct.
Yeah, okay.
They had a cannon on a wheel that would wheel right around here, and they'd store the ammunition down there.
See, I was totally right. Okay, here's another one. And we've got a third one. Another spot for cannons down there. An actual cannon is right down there. In it?
What's that?
Can you see inside the cannon?
Let's see.
What's inside the old rotten metal cannon thing? A dark, dark hole. Man, what would it be like to live in a time like that where you just sink ships? Like, think how pumped you would be when you see you finally, like, your cannonball is the one that hits the ship and has it sink out there. That'd be pretty sweet. like this whole castle up here, this whole second level should be a no texting zone. Like I can see it right now, like looking at your phone, and then just, whoa. So there's the stairs in the tower that we just came out of. We are gonna go in here, down through here, to the basement. Oh, what is this room? Echo! All right, I'm sweating like crazy. Probably shouldn't have worn pants. Let's get out of this echoey room. This room's really cool though. Big stairs. All right, we're heading to Beast. We're heading out of this thing. I feel like we're gonna come out in the ocean here. There are a few places that you can live that are pretty nice. Right now we're at one that's connected to the Ritz-Carlton and the TPC Dorado Golf Course. So this golf course, apparently there are 3 of them here as part of the Ritz-Carlton, and one of them is the TPC course where the PGA players actually come down here for tournaments. We've got a very experienced driver here. His name's Daniel, great name, and he's a pro at driving. And apparently in Puerto Rico, you can get your driver's license at the age of 14. Is that right?
Golf cart driver's license.
Golf cart driver's license. Okay, what the heck? Why is there a giant waterfall coming out of the rock here?
So that's called the Watermill. It's like a giant water park here, and that's just kind of the entrance place. You walk underneath the waterfall. If you can see, there's like stairs.
Okay, that's cool.
It's amazing.
That is really cool.
Yeah.
All right, Daniel, what's going on here? What is this place? This is like heaven.
Yeah, it's called Encanto, which is Spanish for enchanted.
Enchanted, okay.
The beach.
You just come down here and swim?
Yeah, I mean the water's pretty shallow because it's like springtime, which is like low tide.
I'm gonna admit, this is selling me. This is really selling me on wanting to come down here. This place is gorgeous, it's beautiful. The swimming pools, the ocean. If you live here for 6 months and 1 day and you get it approved by the government, you can, according to Tax Act 20, not have to pay federal income tax. Which for a business owner, it can be a lot of money you have to pay. So anyway, I'm not trying to be like a tax evader, but if I can live in the US and live in a beautiful place like this for half of the year, why the heck not? Hey, you guys all live here. Do you like it? Is it a good place?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Do you think Lincoln would like it here?
Yeah.
He loves golfing and basketball. Can you do that here?
Definitely. There's a golf field here.
All right, these guys approve. This is the place. We're in this neighborhood, and there's a land crab, a crab walking across the road. You got this. Do you dare touch it? Hey, it's not moving.
He doesn't mind.
Aww.
He's a cute little dude.
I wouldn't say cute, but
Oh yeah, he's cute.
it's like his eyes are in his head. Yikes.
He doesn't mind.
That's
He's a
cool.
brave guy.
This is baby.
There's a baby one.
Yeah, it's a baby.
Bye, land crab.
Make a good video.
Nope. Nope, not touching him. Okay, there's a car in front of us that has the loudest car speakers I've ever heard in my life. I thought it was in the neighborhood next to us. It's not though. See if we can catch up to this guy.
Can you hear that right now? Listen.
Legit. That car. It's so loud.
Yeah, I don't know what the top 2 right ones are. I think those just fell out, honestly.
Probably blew him.
Cruising.
Marty McFly'd him while this cruising around.
Marty McFly.
Yeah, Marty McFly'd him. If you don't know that reference, here's a clip. Whoa. And this is it. Jake and I are roommates. We each have our own bed. His is made nicely because his wife makes him do that, and mine is not. My wife makes
She
me
does.
make the bed.
She does make me do that.
True story.
So I really put it together real nice today, I thought.
Yeah, you did a great
With
job.
a little angle.
I like the alignment of the pillows.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. That's our first day here. The one thing we didn't film is we went to church this morning and had a great time with the local church members. But yeah, good day. Tomorrow we're gonna go exploring. We wanna go out and see what some of the damage is like, what the recovery is like. So hopefully we can capture that tomorrow. So stay tuned for another vlog day of Puerto Rico. So I don't know, that's it.
One.